Good morning, students. Today we will go with a new topic, thermal radiation. Thermal radiation, there are the third type of thermal expansion. We know that there are the three types. First, conduction, second, convection, and third one is thermal radiation. We know that in thermal conduction, thermal convection, there are some medium, the need for the heat expansion. And here in thermal radiation, there is no need of medium to expand the radiation. Okay, now here the definition is given: the process of the transfer heat one place to another place without heating the intervening medium is called, that is, thermal radiation. In simple way, વિન્ટરમાં આપણે તાપણું કરતા હોઈએ, ઓકે, તો આપણો હાથ આપણે ક્યાં રાખીએ છીએ? દૂર. ઓકે, અને દેર ઇઝ સમ હીટ એનર્જી ફ્રોમ ધ આપણે એવું કહી શકીએ કે જે આગ છે એ અહીંયાથી હીટ એનર્જી આપણને આવે છે. ઓકે, સો દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ thermal radiation. That is a heat energy, it is coming towards us through the radiation. Okay, simply there is some heat energy coming from the sun to the earth, and earth temperature, earth atmospheric temperature, it will be increase because of sun. Okay, આપણે હું એમ કહું કે સમરમાં ખૂબ જ ગરમી લાગે છે, તો એનું રીઝન શું છે? તો રીઝન થર્મલ રેડિયેશન છે. દેટ ઇઝ basic reason is global warming. Okay, now there is no need of medium to expand. Some heat will be lost in this process. There is some radiation coming from the sun. We know that in the vacuum it will be heat will be lost in the medium. Okay, so in this process some heat will be lost in this process. Energy comes out from the sun to earth, that is radiation. When the radiation passes through a medium, then radiation absorbed by the medium. So according to its absorptive power, so temperature will be increased. આપણું જે અર્થ એટમોસ્ફિયર છે એ તમે જુઓ તો દરેક વર્ષે ઇન્ક્રીઝ થયા કરે છે. તો એનું રીઝન શું છે? વેન ધ હીટ પાસીસ થ્રુ ધ એટમોસ્ફિયર પાર્ટિકલ વિલ એબ્ઝોર્બ ધીસ હીટ એન્ડ આફ્ટર ઇટ ઇઝ એમિસિવ, દેટ ઇઝ એમિસિવિટી પાવર, બિકોઝ ઓફ ઇટ એમિટ્સ ધ હીટ. એટલે કે જેટલી હીટને એબ્ઝોર્બ કરે છે એટલી જ હીટને શું કરે છે? ઇટ વિલ બી એમિટ. ઓકે, so the temperature will be increased. Now, to obtain a spectrum of radiation, a special prism, potassium chloride prism, okay, rock salt prism, and the fluorspar prism. There is a specific prism to use obtain a spectrum of radiation. Suppose કે હું તમને એમ કહું છું કે when the radiation coming from the sun, that is a white light, and it is coming and it is incident on the prism. So there is converted into the 7 region and 7 color. Okay, Vibgyor, and this is called the spectrum. What? It is called spectrum. According to its wavelength, it will be divided into the different parts. Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. That is a spectrum. Okay, normal prism is not used because normal prism is absorb this energy, absorb the heat energy. So we can't get the actual heat. So normal prism does not use to obtain the spectrum of radiation. આ જે બધા પોઈન્ટ્સ છે એ તમારે નોટ ડાઉન કરવાના છે. ઇટ ઇઝ મોસ્ટ ટાઈમલી પોઈન્ટ્સ એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ આસ્ક ઇન ધ એક્ઝામ. ઓકે, આપણી માટે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. radiation intensity is measured with specific device called bolometer. Yes, if we want to measure intensity of radiation, so we use the device, that is a specific device, is called bolometer. Okay, now thermal radiation, when incident on the surface, then exert pressure on the surface which is known as a radiation pressure. Suppose that is a radiation and this is the surface. When it is incident on the surface, it will be exert a force per unit area, and this is called pressure. And this pressure, because of radiation, so it's called radiation pressure. એટલે એ radiation pressure છે એટલે એની ઉપર શું કરશે? ઇન્સિડન્ટ, and there is a some push them. એટલે સપોઝ કે આ રેડિયેશન આની ઉપર ઇન્સિડન્ટ થાય તો આ થોડું શું થશે? એને ફોર્સ લાગશે અને થોડું ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ કરશે. ઓકે, this concept we will study in standard 12th. Okay, now absorption power. Yes, very most important. Absorption power. What is the absorption power? The amount of heat it absorbed by the surface upon amount of heat incident on the surface, and the ratio of both, that is called absorption power, and it is absorption coefficient. Okay, એટલે કોઈ surface છે એની ઉપર it will be incident, this energy is Q. Now the characteristics of surface, a nature of surface, this radiation will absorb. Okay, so અહીંયા amount of heat absorbed by the surface and amount of heat incident by the surface, that is called absorptive coefficient, and it is also called absorption power. Spectral absorption power, that is simple formula is just like that. Okay, but it's called the spectrum. Why it is called spectrum? Because in the region of wavelength, according to the region of wavelength, we consider it is spectral. Spectral means it will be divided according to its wavelength. જેની wavelength ઓછી છે, જેની wavelength વધારે છે, એને શું કરવામાં આવે છે? That it is divided into the region. So this is called spectral absorption power. A lambda is equal to Q A lambda upon Q. Now emissive power. Emissive power, it will be emit the energy from the surface. Okay, so now the definition is emissive power is just like that. The energy emits per unit surface in 1 second. This is called the emissive power, and emissive power is called radiation intensity. Okay, radiation intensity આપણે જોયું ને અહીંયા. Yes, radiation intensity is measured with the specific device is called the bolometer. તો bolometer શું કરે છે કે એની માટે એક યુનિટ એરિયા હોય. ઓકે, એ યુનિટ એરિયામાં we measure the intensity in the 1 second, and that's a measurement is called the radiation measurement, and it is using the device of bolometer. Okay, so emissivity I is equal to E upon A, and we can write it is Q upon AT. Okay, now spectral emittivity. So we consider the emissive power in the region of wavelength. This is called spectral emissivity. Very simple. Now relative emissivity. अच्छा, relative emissivity છે, that is a ratio of QGB and QIBB. What is the GB? GB means grey body, and IBB means ideal black body, and this is the ratio of this. It is called relative emissivity. Okay, એક એક્ઝામ્પલ લો. કોઈ પણ લિક્વિડ છે, એની ડેન્સિટી આપણે ડિસાઇડ કરવી હોય તો વી ડિસાઇડ ધ ડેન્સિટી ઓફ એની લિક્વિડ with respect to water density. What is the water density? That is a 10⁻³ kilogram per meter cube. Okay, we consider the water density Okay, we consider the liquid density with respect to water density. Okay, now the amount of heat it is emitted by the gray body upon amount of heat emitted by the ideal black body. IBB means what? Ideal black body, and this ratio is called the relative emissivity, and this ratio it is less than 1. This ratio it is less than 1 for the IBB, ideal black body. આપણે અત્યારે ચર્ચા કરવાની જ છે. We debate about the ideal black body, and ideal black body emissivity and absorptivity it is 1. It is maximum value. આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટી તમે સ્ટડી કર્યું હશે ઓકે 10th માં, તો પ્રોબેબિલિટી કોઈપણની કેટલી હોય? ઓનલી જસ્ટ 1. તો હિયર IBB, in short, I want to say it is emittivity and absorptivity, it is 1 for the IBB. And for other body, grey black body, અહીંયા GBB પણ લખવામાં આવે છે, otherwise grey black body. Grey means it is not color black, okay, this is the grey color. So grey body, its emissivity is 0 less than 0 કરતા વધારે and more than 0 and less than 1. Okay, it is between the 0 and 1. Okay, so this is very important points about the thermal radiation. Please note. Okay, read for 2 minutes. After we will go the next topic. It is about the spectral emissivity, absorptivity and transmittivity power of given body surface. Please read for the 2 minutes. Now we will study next topic. The next topic is spectral emissivity, spectral emissive, absorptive, transmittive power. Okay, so that is very simple. Spectral emissive, absorptive, transmittive power. Suppose we take example, here the rectangular is given. Okay, here radiation is incident on the surface, okay, and that is divided into the 3 parts. One is, this is called incident I, incident ray, radiation, and this is the reflected radiation. It will be absorbed by the surface, and this is the normal to the surface, and this is okay. Here it is normal to the surface, and it is, yes, this ray is called absorptive radiation, and this is transmitted radiation. Okay, when the radiation, incident radiation, incident on the surface, there is a divided into the three parts. One is reflected, second is absorptive, and third one is transmitted. So from the figure, here energy Q, this energy QR, this energy is QA, and this energy is QT. So we can write from the figure Q is equal to QR plus QA plus QT. Okay, there is addition, the heat energy, reflected heat energy, absorptive heat energy and transmitted heat energy. આ બધાનો આપણે heat energy નો addition કરીએ એટલે આપણને incident heat energy મળે. Okay, I divide Q. Okay, so this is called QR upon Q. This is R and it is called reflective power. Here Q A upon Q, it is A. Absorptive power. Okay, and QT upon Q, this is called T, transmitted power. Okay, this is called transmitted power. Okay, and Q upon Q, it is 1, so we can 1 R plus A plus T. It is called R plus A plus T. Okay, the addition of power of all A is equal to 1. It means individually it is less than 1. Obviously આ બધાનો addition 1 થતો હોય તો all are the individual, it will be less than 0. Okay, yes, here the condition is that if plane, like कोई surface છે, if surface, surface લખી, if surface, there are the three conditions that we specify some words about the surface. First, if A is equal to 0, T is equal to 0, then R is equal to 1. A is equal to 0, T is equal to 0, then R is equal to 1. It means that R is equal to 1, maximum probability R છે. Okay, so we can say this surface is called totally reflective. There is no absorption of the radiation, it is no transmitted of the radiation, it is totally reflect. So R is equal to 1. Now second is R is equal to 0, T is equal to 0, that is A is equal to 1. So this surface is called totally absorptive. This surface is called totally absorptive. That means there is no reflection and there is no transmitted, only just absorptive. Now third one is R is equal to 0, A is equal to 0, that is T is equal to 1. Okay, so this surface is totally transmitted. This surface is totally transmitted because here there is no absorption, it is passed through the rectangular. This is called the transmitted. Absorption means there is some energy, it is absorbed from the actual energy. Okay, and transmitted means it will be transmit one body to another body. This is a transmitted. Okay, so this is very most important. Okay, now next topic is ideal black body. What is ideal black body? There is idea in your mind. Okay, what is ideal black body? It is black body. કારણ કે આપણને જોઈને તો એવો જ વિચાર આવે ને કે આ તો બ્લેક બોડી એટલે આઈડિયલ બ્લેક બોડી થાય. ઓકે, બટ IBB is not related with black body. Okay, તો IBB કોને કહેવાય? What is IBB? It is not related with black body. So what is IBB? Yes, so this definition is that a body which is absorb all wavelength at lower temperature and it emitted by all wavelength at higher temperature. A body which has this type of nature, this is called ideal black body. Like koi suppose ke this is the surface, I incident the radiation. If it all the time, all radiation, it I call the spectral radiation. Okay, and it is absorbed the totally spectral radiation at the lower temperature, and it will be absorbed, sorry, it will be emitted at the higher temperature. This is called IBB, and this is called ideal black body. It is not related with the black body. Black surface hoy, and but it is not absorbed all type of wavelength. It is we can't say it is IBB. એને IBB કહેવાય નહીં. ઓકે, એટલે કોઈ પણ એમ કહે કે સર આ બ્લેક કલર છે તો આને IBB કહી શકીએ નહીં. એમ તો જો સન છે, સન ઇઝ IBB. Sun is IBB. It is black body. Is it sun black? Is the sun black? No, it is yellow, it is orange, but we can say it is IBB because it absorbs all type of wavelength and it emit all type of wavelength at the lower temperature, at the higher temperature. So we can say it is ideal black body. In routine, there is a આપણે એમ કહીએ ને ઓલું સપોઝ કે આપણે દીવો કર્યો હોય ને પછી જે કાળી મેસ જામી ગઈ હોય, બરાબર ને? I think it is furnace, I don't know, but this is furnace is 99% ideal black body, and silver it is 2% ideal black body. Okay, that is percent is given by the absorption wavelength and emitted wavelength. Okay, yes, so this is the ideal black body. Now the Kirchhoff's law. Now that is some point of the Kirchhoff's law is just like that. Kirchhoff से શું કીધું? A body which is good absorber it is good emitter. એટલે કે જે બોડી છે એ ઇટ ઇઝ ગુડ એબ્ઝોર્બર, ઇટ ઇઝ ગુડ એમિટર એટલે કે જે એબ્ઝોર્બ કરે છે એ એમિટ પણ કરે છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ વી નો ધેટ the E emissivity and absorptivity it is 1 for IBB. અને જે એબ્ઝોર્બ કરતું નથી એ એમિટ પણ નથી કરી શકતું, બરાબર કે નહીં? ઓકે, ધ બોડી વિચ ઇઝ નોટ good absorber, it is not good emitter. Okay, and this is called Kirchhoff's law. Okay students, તો આટલે સુધી રાખીએ છીએ આપણે. નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ નેક્સ્ટ ટોપિક સ્ટીફન્સ લો. ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. આફ્ટર દેટ ન્યૂટન્સ કુલન્ટ લો વી સ્ટડી. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. ટેક કેર. નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ મળશું.